Hi Homeworthy, I'm Sophia Culpo and this is my glam room. Come on in. Welcome to my glam room, my closet room, my office room, and my favorite room. So when I moved in, none of this was here and I decided I was going to custom build my own closet, but because I'm renting, I didn't want to invest in a big project. So this is actually all from IKEA. And the best part is I got to customize it myself, pick out what I needed. I knew I needed a lot of shoe room, and I really wanted an organizer for my products, my sunglasses, my accessories, and this was the perfect way to do it. So my girlies that live in an apartment that want the beautiful closet, that want all the space and the organization, IKEA is the best because you can customize your closet, your build outs. It's affordable, and I can also break this down and bring it with me when I move again if I decide to take it, or I could sell it. So some features that I really wanted in my closet and little sneaky organization factors is this like slide out belt organizer, and I always have my latest Pride and Joy hanging from it for like aesthetic purposes, and I'm obsessed with this dress. I was actually supposed to wear this to my sister's rehearsal dinner, but she got lost in the mail. It was really sad, but now she's just a moment and hangs, and I just look at her every day. This is just really helpful for belts. Also, I hate clutter with a passion, so I love that I can just, no one has to know. For me, I think accessories make an outfit. So you could have on the most basic blue jeans and a white top, but if you have the right accessories, you can make the outfit so unique and you can customize it to your style. So I love my little Sunnies collection. Something I've always looked forward to is organization for my jewelry. So this was a must-have where you can see through. It just makes getting ready so much easier where you have everything laid out. You can see and put pieces together, see what looks good. And it's honestly one of my favorite things in my closet. Just more organization. A lot of these goodies I will keep and take home for my friends or just restock some of my absolute favorite products. But I do get a lot of gifting and I hate wasting, so I donate a lot, or I'll ask my friends what they want and then I tuck it away in a drawer and I bring it home when I go and see them. Same goes for skincare and hair care, skincare. But my favorite drawer, I don't know why, there's something so satisfying about my hat drawer, and I love hats. This is one of my favorite ones. And her. I love a good crochet. I think I got these from, they're handmade on Etsy, and I love this girl. They're just so adorable, and because I'm a skincare freak. Ooh, what's in here? These are all my little travel bags, travel chargers. Cannot have enough chargers. And bathing suit organization. This is key. Just using a little Ziploc baggie so you don't like lose the pairs. And of course they're color coordinated. But this is like one of my favorite tips for how to organize your little bathing suit drawer. It's just easier so you're not always looking for the matching pair. It's not a surprise, I'm a shoe girly. Shoes are my thing. I've been like that since I was a little girl. Love shoes. I distinctly remember throwing a tantrum, refusing to go to preschool because I did not like the shoes I was wearing. So we have options. I recently realized that my niece, who's also like me and loves shoes, was playing with these back home and she took out one of the straps. So these shoes are toast. I can't wear them anymore because Iris lost a little strap, but whatever. These are my pride and joy for a lot of reasons. One, they're stunning. I wore them to my sister's wedding, but also I pretty much stole from Jimmy Choo because I think I got these for 80% off. Not sure how I did it, but I just got lucky. I know I said that I was in my Carrie Bradshaw era, and nothing sums me up more than her iconic quote of, and there I was, looking for a $7 dress to go with my $300 pair of shoes. That is me. These actually go great with my outfit. Also, Zara, they have great heels. They really do. Look at that. I love a denim heel. There you go. As I just said, I was looking for a $300 pair of shoes. And then this is Bear. This is my co-stylist. Bear, Bubba Ganoush, Dude, The Dude, Doodle. He's got a lot of names. Here we have boots. Little cowboy boots, kitten heel boots. I just have a lot of black boots, as you can see. My top 3 styling tips, and I've already said this, but 1, accessorize. 2, getting the right fit. I know it's an extra step to have to tailor something or get it taken in or whatever it is, but it really can change your entire look. I always say that that's worth it. And wearing whatever you're wearing with confidence, because that's really what it's all about. I swear my style icons, the reason they aren't my icons is because they could wear a potato sack. but they wear it with confidence, and that's everything. My style icons are, I love Tessa Barton. I just love everything about her. She's so creative. Everything she wears, she styles herself. She looks incredible, and it's always so unique, and it's so her. And then Elsa Hosk. I feel like she's the perfect combination of chic, but also fun and youthful while just looking stunning always. Another organization tip, if you have any matching sets, to just hang them together. Obviously, it saves space if you're in an apartment, and it keeps everything here. And it's really easy in the morning. I can just grab one, throw it on, because I'm usually running my errands in sweats. One of my favorite and most unique pieces, my mom got me this when I was in high school, I think, because I love the Beatles. It's the Yellow Submarine. I think she got me this in Vienna. My mom's a musician, so she travels a lot for work. Oh, it's dirty over the years, but I just love this one. This is probably my most sentimental bag. Love music, love my mom, love the Beatles. This is my pride and joy because I love color coordination. Some people think the jean shorts are unnecessary, and I disagree. They're different styles and they're different washes. Now, some might think this is a little crazy. I honestly keep a number of these items only because they look good hanging, and I like the rainbow. But I feel like that I can't be the only person who does that, but I probably am. I can't take all the credit for this. I actually worked with an organizer to help me achieve this level of organization, but I will take credit for keeping it up. I like things organized. I like things to have a place. I think it just gives me peace of mind, and it makes me feel good and organized. These were my shorts that I wore to Coachella, not last year, the year before. I remember I was so, these were falling off of me. I had to roll them. They did not fit me. None of my looks fit me that year. I was fresh off of a breakup, not looking my best, but this was one of my favorite outfits. And for those of you wondering why I was wearing long sleeve leather in the desert, don't know, but we did it for the look. And it's to this day one of my favorite looks that I've worn, to the point where I refuse to get rid of it, even though I probably can't get away with wearing this again. I planned my Coachella looks like the week before with my stylist, who I love, Aretta. And this was I remember I had these incredible green boots that matched with silver stars going down them. That might have been my favorite look that I've ever worn to Coachella, despite the shorts just not fitting me at all. But they do now. And then this number, okay, as ridiculous as this is, and will I ever wear it? We don't know. But imagine it's Halloween. I'm in a pinch and I need a fun, crazy outfit. We have things on deck. You know what I mean? You can never be too prepared for a fashion moment. These are my two most recent purchases. I love them for the summer, and I also just love a tiny shoulder bag. We also have a little statement bag, matches my bracelet, and made in Italy, just like me. These are some of my favorite statement pieces from the Melrose Trading Post. So I love working with designers, and the brand is called Rusty Reconstruction. So these are literally, I can give him fabric and he'll turn them into little corsets and matching skirts. I wore one of these to Coachella, and this is actually what I wore on my 27th birthday to dinner with my boyfriend this year. My go-to date night look, it always changes. I love casual and then elevated with fun accessories, heels. I'm always wearing heels, as you can tell, or super street style sneakers. That's kind of my go-to. And recently, a fashion trend that I'm actually loving and is new for me are the ballet flats. I feel like that trend, anything going back towards the 90s right now, I love. So my most recent favorite purchase of flats. These are some of my favorites. I'm obsessed with these. They just take every outfit from like boring to elevated chic. Well, I have two sisters, but I will say one of them is more fashion forward than the other. She's gonna kill me for saying that. And we have been fighting over this belt for about 2 years now, and she's not getting it back. because I do believe there's a statute of limitations. And if you didn't know it was missing for 3 years, you don't deserve to have it back. But yeah, so these over here, I have all of my dresses. I wore this to my sister's rehearsal dinner for her wedding this summer. I love it. Yellow was definitely my favorite color of the summer. It kind of still is, if I'm being honest. Everything in here, I swear, is from my sister's damn wedding. I wore this to her. Oh, I love this one actually. Baby blue is another one of my favorite colors right now, as you can tell. Here you go, Bear. I wore that to my sister's second engagement party. This was one of my favorite looks. This is pretty old actually. I think I wore this 2 years ago to a retrofit event in New York, and I had on very like high-waisted black underwear. So it was like kind of my first risque moment, but I loved it. This is my like go-to travel bag. It's the perfect size. I'll never forget my name. I just love her. I think the best way to build your closet is to have your basics, like your jeans, your t-shirts that you love, and then really elevate the look with accessories. So that's why I love to splurge on handbags, jewelry, shoes, sunnies, and you can really just make your looks unique to you. My fashion style has definitely changed since I've gotten older. I used to love kind of like the Hailey Bieber street style, and I love sneakers. I still do, but as I've gotten older, I really just kind of matured and my style's matured a little bit. I love heels now. I love flats. I love just something a little bit more sophisticated. While my sneakers always have a moment and I will never part with them, it's not my whole aesthetic like it used to be. Like my bread and butter used to be baggy jeans and a new pair of Jordans. Now I wear high-waisted jeans and heels. So this is my get ready with me station. Everything is organized based off of the steps of your makeup routine. That might sound like I'm a crazy person, but I love organization and this makes getting ready so much easier. So I literally have foundation, contour, blush, shadow, hair, and that is the steps in which I get ready. I think my biggest tip with makeup is less is more. You can always add on. I think with skin prep, doing small layers versus just putting a ton on, you can always add, you can't take away. My mom always says less is more, and she's never been wrong. There really is so much art to doing makeup. It's not always as vain as some people make it out to be, and I love doing it. It's like my happy place. I love being creative, and I love trying new products. I'm also a skincare freak, so I love trying out makeup that's good for your skin, that has good ingredients. It's also why I love Kosas. They're a really great skin-friendly makeup line. I love playing around with all things girl. Also, my best purchase of the year is this Glam light. Could not live without it. So here we have everything labeled. We have foundation, concealer, powders, primers, our liquid contours. We are living for the Rhode blushes right now and the Hourglass blushes. More blush and bronzer. My eyeshadows. And then we have our hair accessories down here. Things get a little crazy sometimes. Number one rule of getting ready is do not get ready in your outfit. I remember my first date with my boyfriend in college. I had on a white dress. We were going to a formal and I dropped my foundation. It shattered and foundation went all up my dress. And literally, quite literally, my night was ruined. My night was ruined. I should have taken that as a sign, but I didn't. And so now I never get ready with my outfit on. One of my favorite getting ready hacks is if you do your makeup and then you have to put on a white shirt or a shirt that has a really tight neck hole, if you put a silver scarf over your head, something about the material, your makeup won't transfer onto the scarf, and it also protects your clothes from getting the makeup on it and ruining a look. So it's one of my go-tos. I always travel with a silk scarf in my bag. With all of our, obviously our SPFs, our liners, and my favorite drawer is probably the lip drawer, just because I love a lip. I'm a lip girl. My current favorite liners are RMS Beauty and Hourglass. I just love their colors, their formula, and then the Rhode peptide treatments. This summer's drop has probably been my favorite. Also, the Armani Beauty glosses are incredible. So I love to make things convenient and efficient. So when I get ready in the morning, I'll do a daytime look, which is usually glowy skin, a blush, and a lip. That's it. For my nighttime look, I'll usually add some eyeshadow, mascara, and maybe a darker blush and a deeper lip liner. So that's kind of how I take my looks from daytime to nighttime in a really quick, easy way. I started sharing all of my beauty tricks on my TikTok, so if you guys are interested, you can follow me there. But I really just love makeup, and a lot of it also comes down to I've always loved being creative, I've always loved art, and to me, my face has changed since I've been younger, teenager, when we have our like puffy years, to how I look when I'm 27. My face has changed so much, and having to learn how to tweak my makeup, how to tweak, a lot of it is actually like knowing color and undertones and like shading. One skincare or makeup product that I think everybody needs in their makeup drawer is the Rhode Glazing Milk. To put that on your skin before you do your makeup, I think foundation and skin prep really will determine how your makeup comes out. As my dad always says, plan to fail or fail to plan. So if you're not prepping your skin for your makeup, it really does make a huge difference. We love an icon, so obviously I had to have the icon in my closet. Best things in life are free, the second best are very expensive. Okay, Homeworthy, I hope you enjoyed my closet tour. Thanks for coming, and I'll see you guys next time.
Thanks for watching. Go to homeworthy.com for exclusive content and shopping guides.